So here's the reservation module. As you can see here, there is a calendars, and then you can add more than one calendar for your own reservation purpose. It's either a normal reservation or a private room or maybe an event hall. Yeah, you can add it yourself here. And then for the edit the calendar part, you can actually go into this and edit your description, your name, and the URL. Okay, you can also toggle the required approval before reservation, which means whenever a new reservation comes in, you have to get your approval in order to get the confirmation of the reservation. But if it's off, the reservation will directly go through and make a confirmation for your reservation. So for the configuration part, there is a lot of like term and condition you can add in here for term and condition. And then the minimum and maximum capacity, you can put 1 to 10, or it's either more, it's up to you. And then the cancellation window will be the hours before it can be cancelled. For example, you make a reservation at 6 p.m. and you only be able to cancel before 4 p.m. So this is 2-hour cancellation window. So for the reminder window as well, for example, I put 1 hour. So if you reserve 6 p.m. and then 1 hour before, like 5 p.m., it will get a reminder sent to the customer. And then for the booking window, which means like if I want to book 6 p.m., when can I book it? So I can still book it at 5 p.m. So this is the 1 hour booking window here. So for the CRM, will auto go into your database. And then for notification, you can trigger email, SMS, WhatsApp, and then you can trigger a WhatsApp notification to your group. So you can select your group here once you log in with your WhatsApp. And then for the block date, it's very simple. So whenever you decide to give a block date to your restaurant, maybe you close on Monday, so you can select a specific date or a certain range. Maybe you close for a renovation, then you can block the dates for that renovation period. And then for the specific time slot on that day, so you can actually you close half day and then you only open at night time. So this one you can specifically block off the afternoon time. Okay, so for the advanced setting, I think this one is all the notification you can set from here. All the notification you can set from here, and then you can actually go into and edit by yourself lah. And then you can actually use a reset to default, so you get all the default message. So let's save it first. Okay, so this one will be your reservation. So how does it looks like for the front page when customer sees? So this is the front page where the customer will see. So they can select the date. You can select like next week, okay, and then they select the time slot on here, and then they can just key in their message and the details, and also the amount of guests, right? So they also put remarks. Maybe they want aircon room, okay, and then they just submit. So once they submit, they will get view your reservation. They can just view their reservation, and then they get a ticket like things. Okay, so in terms of that, you can directly get a real-time update in your system, and also get the notification to your WhatsApp and also your WhatsApp group. Okay, so another thing I want to add on here is the modified time slot. So for this time slot, you can edit specific time slot on their availabilities. So based on this, you can do a bulk editing, and you can select 2 and then modify the available space. For example, you can make it to 6 available space, and then or you can bulk edit the default one, and then you can select the time, you can select the start date, and also you can add in like 2, maybe let's give it like 4 to 5 p.m. and then you can save at 2 times time slot. So it will have another additional one here to add in, and then you can take a look at it and then see if it fits your need, and then if no, you can actually delete it, and then you can add in another few more stuff. So these are the time slot editing. So you can edit from the Monday to Sunday time slot,